Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. The nation's trade deficit, that's the gap between imports and exports, widened in the first half of this year. Jamaica imported $3.69 billion worth of goods, but exported goods valued at only $945 million between January and June. This compares with imports of $3.74 billion and imports of just over $1 billion in the corresponding period in 2023. The United States remained the nation's largest export market, followed by Iceland and Russia. Come January 1, the Fiscal Commission will become fully operational. It will be chaired by CEO of JMMB Group, Mr. Keith Duncan. The commission was established under the Independent Fiscal Commission Act 2021. In making the announcement yesterday, former Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark said it's the guardian and interpreter of Jamaica's fiscal rules and is required to provide independent assessments of budgetary outcomes in addition to independent fiscal analysis. Fiscal economist Courtney Williams will serve as fiscal commissioner. The Ministry of Finance says the operational date of the Fiscal Commission comes on the heels of the recent launch of the UWI Fiscal Research Center, FRC, supported by a Jamaican $200 million endowment from the government of Jamaica. The Fiscal Commission, Research Center, and the Independent Central Bank are all critical components of the country's institutional economic framework. Motorists will get more relief this week as petrol prices are going down. Effective tomorrow, a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. Automotive diesel will decline by 25 cents. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will fall by 25 cents. $1.95 will be taken off each litre of kerosene, while propane will be increased by $1.54. $2.44 will be added to the cost of butane. Petrol stations will make these adjustments to their prices, which will include the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. At the close of trading today, $1 American was being sold for an average $159.11. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.48. $206.15 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $173.37. The JSE index advanced by 1,653 points, while the junior market rose by 18 points. Among the 44 winners were Key Insurance, First Rock US dollar shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. The 51 losers included ISP Finance Services, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Berger, General Accidents, and Knutsford Express. 14 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Good evening.